Hi guys, I just joined Arbonne as an independent consultant and I thought it would be fun to do a box opening with you. I've got a couple cameras here, so I'm looking in two places, but I thought this was really fun. So here we go. Oh, this is something that I use all the time anyway, which is a kind of like a meal replacement shake. And this one I'm really excited about because it's really low sugar. And I've been kind of looking for a replacement shake that has low sugar versus mine that has a little bit higher sugar. Little Arbonne beauty bag. Another Arbonne beauty bag to hold my supplies. We have energy fizz sticks, a little bit of crack. These also I use some, what do I use? I use liquid IV, which is really high in sugar. And I use it because I don't love water that much. I try to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, but usually I need a little something to put in my water to actually get through all those glasses. So hopefully this will be, it will, because I've tasted it, actually will be a wonderful replacement for my high sugar version. This is True Sport Workout Fuel, and very similar. But I think this is more, this actually has a little, they both have caffeine in it, I'm pretty sure. But this one is more focused on like the stuff that gives you fuel during a workout versus this is kind of a general energy. So I wanted to try both of those. And then we have my Derm Results. I got the whole skincare line here. So we have eye cream and cleansing balm, which I'm very excited about. It's very luxurious. And let's see what else. We have the moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. And there's one more thing, and the toner. So the Derm Results line is Arbonne's newest line, and it has niacinamides, which is supposed to be similar results to retinol or Retin-A. So definitely excited about that, but it's very easy on your skin. So even people with sensitive skin can use it. And I am about to get my eyebrows done, get some nano brows and powder brows, kind of semi-permanent makeup done to my eyebrows, which right now they've got powder on them, so they look really good. But in the morning when I wake up, not so much. And I like to do videos in the morning when I'm on my walks, so I thought that would be a good investment. And also I can look good all the time and feel good all the time and confident. So anyway, you can't use things like retinol or bakuchiol, which is in another one of the things. No, it's in a box I'm getting later. But the Derm Results line, you actually, I think you can pretty much, oh, it's got vitamin C. So there is a little bit of, you're not supposed to use vitamin C, but. So I did get this Hydrate Me Eye Gel, which does not have vitamin C or retinol or bakuchiol or any of that stuff. And I can use this around my eyes so that I'm not fading the permanent makeup. And then I got, let's see, what's this? Hydrate Me Foaming Gel Cleanser. Same thing, I'm probably not gonna use the balm around my eyes, so I can use the Hydrate Me Foaming Gel Cleanser, which is very low. It's not like sloughing off like spots and wrinkles and all that stuff. It's really focused on keeping you hydrated and good for sensitive skin and things like that. And then this is the Derm Results Glow Cleanser. Similar to Derm Results Advanced, but this is the Derm Results Glow line, which is a little different. So I did order some pieces from the Glow line because they do have different, there's more like there's vitamin C in both, but there's also, I'll have to tell you later. But there is some bakuchiol in some of one of the products that I ordered. Let's see, and I'll probably, well, I've got a bunch of face cleansers, but okay. And then I got a little makeup kit. Let's see. So I got blush, which I actually found out they are discontinuing the blushes, so I'm a little bit bummed about that. But there are a lot of really other great makeup products. A brow pencil. And let's see, Arbonne Intelligence. Oh, CC cream. Very excited about CC cream. I'm not a big foundation user. I don't have any on now. I just really use bronzer and blush. And powder. I do put powder on. And then I use SPF moisturizer as well. So this combines all of it. It combines the moisturizer and then a little bit of like foundation, but doesn't feel heavy like foundation. So definitely excited about that. Derm Results Advanced Serum. Okay, so I was wrong. There's actually another part of the Derm Results line in here. And then we got my glossed over lip gloss in Mimosa Peach, kind of a peachy color or a corally color, which is kind of hard to find actually. So I'm really excited about that. And then some self-tanning lotion. I am actually doing this UVL treatment for this little rash that I have. Might be too much info, but that is. And I can't seem to, your UVL treatment is basically like I go to the tanning salon for like a couple minutes and they keep upping the dose and it really works amazingly. It's almost gone actually, probably is gone. Just want to like get those last like UVLs in to make sure. But my legs are not getting tan for some reason. Like they're in there too with me, but they just keep staying really white. So I kind of got this to level it out a little bit. And then makeup, I think. Oh, my mascara. Arbonne has really great mascara, so I'm very excited about this. And then, let's see. The Feel Fit Strawberry and White Chocolate Snacks. I am really excited about this because I think that it is going to be like a, some snack squares that I get from a juice bar here in Los Angeles, and they're really expensive and they're hard to get because it's really far away. So I hope these will kind of be the replacement for that. And then another little beauty bag, and of course my catalogs, so I can share it with people when I'm out and about. Exciting. All right, see you soon.